Welcome back, Easy English Educational Channel.
I can say please.
I can say please.
I can say sorry.
I can say sorry.
I can wash my hands.
I can wash my hands.
I can eat my food.
I can eat my food.
I can comb my hair.
I can comb my hair.
I can get dressed.
I can get dressed.
I can clean my room.
I can clean my room.
I can brush my teeth.
I can brush my teeth.
I can tie my shoes.
I can tie my shoes.
I can help my mom.
I can help my mom.
I can read a book. I can read a book. I can write my name.
I can write my name.
I can count to 10.
I can count to 10.
I can sing a song.
I can sing a song.
I can draw a picture.
I can draw a picture.
I can color with crayons.
I can color with crayons.
I can say the alphabet.
I can say the alphabet.
I can listen to my teacher.
I can listen to my teacher.
I can share my toys.
I can share my toys.
I can play with friends.
I can play with friends.
I can run fast.
I can run fast.
I can jump high.
I can jump high.
I can ride a bike.
I can ride a bike.
I can play ball.
I can play ball.
I can climb a slide.
I can climb a slide.
I can swing high.
I can swing high.
I can catch a ball.
I can catch a ball.
I can dance to music.
I can dance to music.
I can hop on one foot.
I can hop on one foot.
I can feed my pet.
I can feed my pet.
I can water the plants.
I can water the plants.
I can smell flowers.
I can smell flowers.
I can watch birds.
I can watch birds.
I can pick up leaves.
I can pick up leaves.
I can jump in puddles.
I can jump in puddles.
I can play in the sand.
I can play in the sand.
I can listen to bees.
I can listen to bees.
I can watch the stars.
I can watch the stars.
I can say thank you.
I can say thank you.
I can wait my turn.
I can wait my turn.
I can be kind.
I can be kind.
I can smile.
I can smile.
I can clap my hands.
I can clap my hands.
I can give a hug.
I can give a hug.
I can share my snack.
I can share my snack.
I can help a friend.
I can help a friend.
I can build with blocks.
I can build with blocks.
I can make a puzzle.
I can make a puzzle.
I can paint with colors.
I can paint with colors.
I can tell a story.
I can tell a story.
I can make funny faces.
I can make funny faces.
I can sing loudly.
I can sing loudly.
I can do yoga.
I can do yoga.
I can climb a tree.
I can climb a tree.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. To get more videos.